Hey guys, welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As you probably have noticed, I'm back into the green. After a run of about 5 or 6 days of being in the red, my portfolio bounced back quite nicely today, up $62. A lot of that has to do with this trade here. No, not really. This is a 19-cent stock. Just wanted to include this. One of my viewers suggested I take a peek at this. So I went ahead and picked up a share. It cost me 19 cents. Just wanted to kind of give a shout out to him. I'm going to hold on to this. I don't think I'm going to make a lot of money with this. But hey, who knows? That could be the spark that brings my portfolio back. Really what this has to do with is my Pfizer portfolio bouncing back here. So I've regained a little bit of my losses I've incurred over the last week. So again, I'm still down, but very good day today. Back into the green, $62. What I wanted to do today is kind of touch on something I posted about a week or so ago, Real Estate Income Trust, REITs. A buddy of mine invested into some of these last week, and not quite too sure about these. So just to kind of remind you, REITs are essentially companies that own or finances income producing real estate. So I kind of think of these as real estates or ETFs that kind of deal with property. So essentially there's two main types of REITs, equity REITs and mortgage REITs. Equity REITs essentially generate income through collection of rent, sale of properties and so forth. And mortgage REITs essentially are REITs that are invested in mortgages or mortgage securities tied to residential commercial properties. The key thing about these is that they offer quite large dividends. So I just kind of want to take a look at a few of these. Again, not too sure if I'm going to actually buy into these. A buddy of mine thinks they're a great way of making monthly return, monthly investment return. But again, I don't know if the risk really justifies the return. So the first REIT I want to take a look at goes by the ticker symbol NYMT. Let's go ahead and throw that in there. There we go, New York Mortgage Trust. So let me just kind of take you down to the bottom here. The first thing you'll notice is the very large dividend yield, 15.686. And this is essentially, again, a company that's engaged in business, acquiring, investing, and financing, managing primarily mortgage-related assets, financial assets. Again, the risk of these is a little bit higher than you would expect on a traditional income-earning bond. But again, the return on investment is so much higher as well. And kind of looking over the performance here, you can see it's quite volatile. Actually, yeah, very volatile. Over the last year, dropping and kind of climbing, and it looks like it's kind of stabilized here. So again, I'm not sure if I want to invest in this, but 15.686 return on investment is quite nice. The second company I want to take a look at goes by the symbol of, where is that? ORC, and I think a few of you will probably recognize this, Orchard Island Capital. This has been recommended to me by a number of different viewers. Again, this is a finance company investing in real estate mortgage-backed securities. These can be quite risky, but again, the dividend yield is 15.335. Again, as I kind of go through the 1, 3, 1 year and 5 year performance, these are very, very volatile. You can see here this is kind of swinging all over the place. So I'm not quite sure if I want to invest in that. The third stock here is AMTG. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. AMTG. There we go, Apollo Residential Mortgage. Again, this is the company. I believe this is primarily operating through a number of different businesses, residential mortgages, commercial businesses. But again, if we scroll down, you can see 14 dividend yield. Again, the volatility is quite high, 3 month, 1 year and 5 years. Next one I want to take a look at very briefly is NRZ. Let's go ahead and throw that up here. NRZ, new residential investment. Again, another red. Sort of the same holdings as the others. 13% dividend yield. This one has a little bit lower volatility, so this might be a little bit better play than those prior ones. Maybe not. Over the last 5 years, it's quite volatile, but over the last year and 3 months, a little bit more stable. But again, this is trading at 14, 52-week high is 15, low is 9. So it's kind of jumped around there a bit. And the last one, the fifth and last one here, Resource Capital, RSO. Let's throw that in. RSO. There we go. Resource Capital Corporation. Another RET. U.S. commercial real estate. Real estate related assets. Again, 12.5 dividend yield in this one as well. The volatility looks like it's a little bit lower. No, actually, it's kind of jumps around here a bit as well. So again, 5 stocks, real estate investment trust. They're supposed to, offer a little bit of diversification. They give you a monthly dividend, very high dividend, and they're liquid as well. You can buy and sell these just like any other stocks. ETFs, very low fees. So what do you guys think? Should I dive into these riskier plays? Again, some of my past videos said I was going to be focusing more on established companies with a good dividend yield. These would definitely be a higher risk play. I'm not sure if that's quite worth that or not. But yeah, I don't know. Just kind of thinking about these moving forward. So as always, let me know what you guys think. Am I going down the right path or not? A little bit undecided. I might throw a little bit of capital into some of these higher dividend yielding stocks to get a monthly income going. But again, not sure. So again, new investor here. Let me know what you guys think. I always appreciate your comments. If you like the video, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. If you don't, tell me why. I always appreciate the constructive criticism. So again, happy about today's performance, back into the green, up about $62. And again, just kind of going over my portfolio here. The market looked like it was up in general, so that probably has a lot to do with those gains today. $62. My Portola Pfizer bounced back, but my other stocks performed well as well. So let me know what you guys think. Again, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and always appreciate that. So next time, I'll see you guys later.